Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making pickle of tamarind and chili, really hot chili. This is a pack of tamarinds that I have used. And then we also need some garlic, about 5 cloves of garlic. If it is small, then you can use 6, 7. And then a lot of green chilies. Full recipe is down below in the description box. So first you're gonna do is wash all your chilies and then remove all the stem, and then just chop them into like big pieces. Just chop one into 3 pieces, and also the garlic. No need to cut them too small because they are going to blend anyway. Add all of them to a food processor, the chilies, the garlic, and then add some salt and also some oil. I use sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil. So now we're just gonna purse a few times. As you can see how it looks like right now. Smell is so spicy. Look at the inside. It's not done yet. So now I am going to add some ground mustard. I just blend them. This is what I do. I buy my whole mustard and then I blend them myself, because the blended one, maybe they add something to it. I don't know, it is not that fresh. So just blend and add few spoon into the food processor, and then we are going to add some turmeric, and this turmeric is adding some color and flavor to the pickle. Now I am going to add my tamarind with the seed. It's not seeded, the seed is there. Add some more oil and then cover and blend again. And now this is what it looks like. Okay, so now we missing some oil. Add some more oil and blend again. Cover and blend again. I'm just pursing because this is a food processor. So yeah, keep pursing, and now you can see the tamarind and the chili pickle is ready. Check the consistency. It is so perfect, especially for biryani. As you can see, some garlic is there, some chili is there. That is because I purse it. I didn't blend it into a blender. This was a food processor, so all I have done is purse. That's why it looks like that. Hope you guys enjoy this video with me. Serve this with biryani. Everybody is going to love it. I will see you next time with another great recipe. For now, bye bye.